guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics World, and today I'm going to solve worksheet 4 question number 3. So let's begin. So guys, today we are going to do question number 3. Evaluate again. Sorry. So guys, today we are going to do question number 3. Evaluate. So our first question is. So guys, before starting our first question, our work, I want to tell you a humble request to you. So guys, I had solved the equation, and in that I had solved that how many are my subscribers, how many are my views on a particular video ratio, and how many percent the people are watching my videos and subscribing. So guys, I had taken out and I had seen that it is just 27% who had subscribed, see my videos, and the rest, 83, no, 73% people are actually not seeing my videos, not seeing my videos, but not subscribing my videos, my channel. So guys, please guys, I need a humble request from you that I know in the starting it is my starting only, and you have continued me till 54 subscribers, but guys, please guys, I need a humble request from you guys. Please subscribe my channel, please support me guys. So guys, while please guys, I don't want to share anything else from you. Just please guys, subscribe my channel. So guys, please guys. So our third question is evaluate. First bracket minus 3/4 to the power 3 divided by bracket minus 3/4 to the power 5. So here we have to just evaluate it. That means we have to solve this question, then the answer will come. We have to move it to the rational number. So this is equal to copy is coming now. Yes, copy is coming. So bracket minus 3/4 to the power 3 minus 5. So guys, as here is division sign and there is division sign, so we have to just divide it. So minus 3/4 to the power 3 minus 5 is equal to, is coming, yes, it's coming, minus 3/4 to the power minus 2. So it's equal to, so guys, as here is minus 2, so the power in negative form is not accepted in the answer. So to make it positive, we have to reciprocal it. So it's equal to minus 4/3 to the power 2. So it's equal to, we have to make the answer in rational form. Yes, so it's equal to, yes, now it is like looking like 2. Otherwise it was looking like just a semicircle from left to right, right to left. So it's equal to minus 16/9 bracket, and here is not the place to write answer, so I am not writing answer. So our second question is, our book will come here. Here is our second question. I am happy because I know guys, you will subscribe my channel after watching my videos. Yes guys, I know you will subscribe my channel after watching my videos, because I have the belief on you. I know you will. So our second question is 1/5 to the power square bracket to the power square into 1/5. Copy. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप सब्सक्राइब ना करें मेरे चैनल को मेरे इस करने के बाद, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ आप पे मुझे पूरा भरोसा है, आप पे मुझे पूरा भरोसा है, पूरा। ऐसा 1% भरोसा नहीं है जो मैं आप पे ना कर सकूँ। मुझे आप पे पूरा भरोसा है कि आप इसे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करेंगे। सो कर दीजिए, अभी के अभी कर दीजिए। तब तक मैं क्वेश्चन लिख लेता हूँ आपके सामने। चलिए, जब तक मैं क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ तब तक इसे छोटा स्क्रीन करिए। आई नो यू आर वॉचिंग द वीडियो इन द फुल स्क्रीन। इसे स्मॉल स्क्रीन पे लाइए, नीचे सब्सक्राइब का बटन पे क्लिक करिए और बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए। अगर आपको बेल आइकन नहीं दबाना है तो भी दबा दीजिए। अगर आप बेल आइकन नहीं दबाएंगे तो आपको मेरा वीडियोस दिखेगा कैसे कि मेरा नया वीडियो आ गया है। दबा दीजिए। तब तक मैं लिखता हूँ क्वेश्चन, तब तक आप जाइए करिए, जल्दी जल्दी करिए। मैं धीरे धीरे लिखता हूँ ताकि आपका कोई पार्ट ना मिस हो जाए। कर दिया? थैंक यू। मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि आपने अब तक कर दिया होगा। सो हियर वी हैव, इट इज ट्रिकी, सॉरी गाइस, 1/5 to the power. Yes guys, in the denominator only we will do the multiplication because they are bracket. Oh sorry guys, bracket into, so bracket multiplied, I am not writing and I am speaking this way, into 1/5 is equal to 1/5 to the power 4 divided into, sorry guys, 1/5. So this is tricky. So I am putting my hand on my legs and thinking how to do. So now I know how to do it. Is equal to 1/5. No guys, I not cheated from everywhere. No, I'm not cheated from anywhere. I had just shuffled my mind and got the answer. 4 plus 1. So yes, I know, is equal to 1/5 to the power 5. So we have to convert into a rational number. So our final answer will be 1/3125. This 3125 मैंने पहले ही निकाल लिया था, करना थोड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो मुझे भी मुश्किल होती है करने में। सो मुझे पता है आपने कर दिया होगा, तो अब आपको बोलने ही की क्या ज़रूरत है कि सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, तो आप, मुझे तो पता है। सो इन आवर थर्ड क्वेश्चन आई एम नॉट बीइंग इन द बुक, आई एम जस्ट आई एम वेरी मच सीरियस एंड एज यूजुअल आई ऑलवेज टॉक. So our third question is bracket -5/6 to the power square bracket to the power square divided by bracket -5/6 to the power square. So it's equal to bracket -5/6 to the power square into square divided by -5/6 to the power square is equal to -5/6 to the power 4 divided by -5/6 to the power square. It's visible? Yes. Now the second line we will use. So it's equal to bracket -5/6 to the power 4 minus 2 is equal to -5/6 to the power square. So our answer is, what is our answer? Yes, I know the answer. 5 into 5 divided by, by 6 into 6. So -25/36. So here there is much place to write the answer. So I had written the answer. You can see the solution. Seen? Yes, you have seen. So our fourth question is bracket 2 by 3 to the power square divided by bracket 2 by 3 to the power square into 0. I mean bracket 0. So it's equal to 2 by 3 to the power square divided by 2 by 3 to the power 2 into 0 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power square minus, yes, I am not repeating the question again because it will take much place, minus 0 is equal to 4 by 9. So this is our answer and there is no place to write the answer. So our fifth question is, yes, I will show you and write the question. So our fifth question is, and it is very much tricky. Bracket half divided by bracket half to the power 5 bracket half to the power 5 by bracket half to the power cube, here the minus sign, bracket half to the power 6 by bracket half to the power 5. This is tricky and I know this solution. Oh, sorry guys, sorry, really sorry guys, I had seen that you were not able to see the question. Sorry guys, please sorry guys. So guys, here is by, it means division, so we will divide this 2. Here is also by, that means division, so we will divide this 2. So bracket half bracket to the power 5 minus 3 minus this way only now, yes, this way only, bracket half to the power 6 minus 5 is equal to bracket half to the power 2 minus bracket half to the power, I am not writing 1 here, it is visible now, or last one mistake, sorry guys for last one mistake. So here we have to subtract it. So subtract में क्या करना था? Yes, I knew, I remember. So is equal to, first we have to convert this number into rational form. So bracket, oh sorry guys, half to the power, sorry, I am telling very much sorry because I am doing very much mistakes. So when we will do this question in a rational form, so it will be 1 by 4, yes, minus 1 by 2. So guys, as we do normal subtraction in rational numbers, fraction numbers, that is only. So first we will take out 4 and 2 LCM. I am taking out somewhere else. So it is 4 1 minus 2 into 2 4. So it's equal to minus 1. Wait guys, sorry guys. So guys, I had done a mistake, so that was only I had paused the video. So here guys, I had written 4. So guys, here I had written 4. It will not be 4, it will be 2. Sorry guys, sorry guys, I am telling it a very much funny voice. Sorry. So minus 1 by 4 is our answer. So guys, as we have completed evaluate question, so line wise I will tell you again how we have solved it. So our first question, minus 3 by 4 to the power cube divided by 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 to the power 5 is equal to minus 3 by 4 to the power 3 minus 5, because there is division sign and I am telling in a very much fast voice, is equal to minus 3 by 4 to the power minus 2 is equal to because there is minus 2, then the negative power is not accepted in the answer, so we will reciprocate. Minus 4 by 3 to the power square is equal to minus 16 by 19. So this is our answer of first question. Then our second question is 1 by 5 to the power square bracket square into 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 to the power square into 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 5 is equal to, there is multiplication sign, so we will add the powers of down. So 1 by 5 to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 5 to the power 5, so it's equal to 1 by 3125. This is our answer. So our third question is bracket minus 5 by 6 to the power square bracket to the power square divided by bracket minus 5 by 6 to the power square is equal to minus 5 by 6 to the power square into square divided by minus 5 by 6 to the power square is equal to minus 5 by 6 to the power 4 divided by minus 5 by 6 to the power 2 is equal to minus 5 by 6 to the power 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 6. So there is division sign, so we will subtract the power, so it's equal to minus 5 by 6 to the power square, so it's equal to minus 25 by 36. This is our answer. So our fourth question is 2 by 3 to the power square divided by bracket 2 by 3 to the power square into 0. So it's equal to 2 by 3 to the power square divided by 2 by 3 to the power square into 0 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power square into 0 is equal to 4 by 9. Yes guys, equal to 4 by 9. So our fifth and last question to be explained is half to the power 5 divided by half to the power cube minus half to the power 6 divided by half to the power 5 is equal to half to the power 5 minus 3. Because there is division, this is why it means division, so we will subtract this. Minus half to the power 6 by 5 is equal to minus half, sorry guys, half to the power square minus half to the power 1, and I had not written here 1, so is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Here we have to move the, here we have to make this I can say here we have to make this number to a rational number is equal to 1 by 4 1 minus 2 to the power 1 minus 2 by 4 is equal to 1 minus 4 is our answer. So guys, today we have completed question number 3 evaluation. Thank you for watching. So guys, as today we have completed worksheet 4 question number 3. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment. Yes, I had told please like, share and comment. I had not told to subscribe because in the video as I had given you the time to subscribe, and I know that you have subscribed till now. Yes, I know you have subscribed till now. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment. अगेन अच्छे लगे तो लाइक करें, ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे तो इस बार सब्सक्राइब नहीं, इस बार कमेंट करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ बिना भूले इसे शेयर कर दें. सो गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी.